The task to manage Azure Web App Service is good because it evolves the way we deal with Azure Web App Service using VSTS. Until then, there was some ways to achieve the app service management, but now we can start, stop, restart an Azure Web App out of the box in VSTS. But there's another great new using this task in Azure Web App Service and VSTS. Do you know deployment slots? Right. Was a good news from Azure App Service, right? You could test your app using your production environment without affecting your final users. It was done creating a clone of your environment on the same infrastructure. And once it was already tested, you could swap them between the development or your testing environment and production. Your testing slot, by the way. You could not do this using VSTS, uh, despite by command line commands, right? But now you have a task that does it out of the box. So let's take a look at it. Imagine that I have this release pipeline and I first deploy my web app to my development environment to the slot dev. Okay, it was already possible. So when I switched to production, I needed to use the same task to deploy to the empty slot, which means production. Okay, so now you can use the swap slots action on Azure Web App Service Management task, and then you can specify the app serves, the resource group, and the source slot. This source slot content will be swapped between production. So what is in production goes to the dev environment, as you can see here, and what is in dev environment goes to production. So it evolves the way you use app serves on VSTS. So you use the concepts of app serves on your release pipeline, automating it, right?